case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
Technical Sergeant Traxler found himself in the center of a marquee case in the United States Court of Military Appeals, a case that highlighted the stringent expectations of order following in the military. Traxler was convicted by a general court-martial for intentionally missing a flight and disobeying a direct order from his superior to board said flight. His actions led to charges under 2 separate articles of the Uniform Code of Military Justice. The resultant punishment saw him receive a bad conduct discharge, a year-long confinement, a demotion to grade E5, and a reprimand. Following the conviction, Traxler appealed his sentence, raising questions about multiple offenses and judicial discretion in military law. His primary contention revolved around whether committing multiple offenses should result in a commensurate increase in punishment. He also questioned the decision to charge him with disobeying a superior's direct orders, in addition to his initial violation of intentionally missing scheduled movement. The courts, however, upheld the conviction. The Court of Military Appeals, analyzing the situation, found no multiplicious nature in the charges, missing a pre-designated movement and disobedience of a superior officer's order. Traxler's act of non-compliance was regarded as a deliberate intention to undermine his superior officer, rather than merely dishonoring a generic deployment directive. Furthermore, the court dismissed Traxler's argument that he was being punished for effectively the same offense. They saw 2 separate obligations: the pre-existing duty to deploy and the specific duty to board the plane as ordered by Captain Collins. The court held that violating the latter obligation was separate and distinct from the former. Despite significant debate around the case, the United States Court of Military Appeals upheld the earlier rulings. Concurrently, the decision by the United States Air Force Court of Military Review supporting Traxler's punishment was also endorsed. Even within the rigorous demands of military law, the requirements for compliance and the consequences of disobedience were distinctly reiterated.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class